man, these kids are really bugging me today, telling me I'm lame and I'm stuck in my ways. I heard the cicadas were coming and I knew there was something I could do. I could eat a cicada. Wouldn't that be kind of cool?
Wouldn't that be kind of cool?
So I gathered my kids and I told them what I got cooking. It's chocolate. It's cicada.
It's really funny looking!
My kids don't think I'll do it, but I'm down for the cred. I'll cover them in chocolate and chomp off their heads. I dared William and Bella to snack on them too. Now I'm making chocolate-covered cicadas just for you too.
Ew!
Look at that. Ready on 3. We'll see who scarfs them first. The winner gets respect, but the loser's the worst. 3, 2, 1. Cheers! Let's cheers.
I need to take this time. Oh boy, you're already in it. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay. First. Ah! Ooh. I'm so scared. Did you take it, Will?
I'm done.
Did you take it, Will?
Ah!
I'm done. Wait, did you take it, Will? I'm done. Yeah, I'm already a loser. I bail. Wait.
I knew I could do it. I'm not some lame fool. I'm not just your mom. I'm really hip and cool. So get with it, y'all. Like, subscribe, and comment. Someone's gonna win a $50 gift card with this video drawing. It's like making mating sounds. Ah!
It tastes good.
Dip some. So you don't get it on your shirt. I'm your mama.
I'm too. Ooh.
I could eat as good. Eat it.
Okay.
God. We're gonna scarf them.
Oh boy. My tummy is like, ooh.
Every person who subscribes and comments below with a check emoji gets entered in for a $50 Amazon gift card drawing.